How to remove blackheads naturally. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. We will try to personally reply to all your comments. Despite the fact that they are little, clogged pores appear to be the most obstinate type of pimples. As much as I attempted to jab, press, and goad, they generally appeared to return. I attempted a wide range of creams, strips and veils however, oh dear, nothing worked until I took to the kitchen and found various cures that at last disposed of my pimples. Pimples are little knocks on hair follicles. The dim surface brought about by pimples are an undesirable sight for anybody endeavoring to have a reasonable appearance. Pimples are generally found around the nose and jaw zone. The vast majority expect that zits are brought about by earth, notwithstanding, it is the development of sebum that makes your hair follicles obstruct. It is enticing to crush the sebum out, evade this no matter what as it could prompt scarring. Here are some straightforward home solutions for disposing of pimples normally and keep them from repeating. 1. Cornstarch and vinegar. Get 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and blend in vinegar until the blend shapes a thick glue. Apply to the zit-influenced zone and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Flush off with warm water. At that point catch up with cold water or an ice 3D shape to close the pores. The cornstarch assimilates the overabundance oil, while the vinegar assists with blurring the staining brought about by the pimples. For the best outcomes utilize this 2-3 times each week. 2. Nectar. Nectar has ended up being powerful in eliminating pimples, simultaneously it saturates and mitigates the skin. Apply crude nectar to a spotless dry face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Flush off with warm water. Nectar can be utilized on the skin day by day. 3. Egg white and nectar. Egg white and nectar veil is an incredible method to dispose of clogged pores. The blend can be applied everywhere on over the face. Leave it all over until the skin begins to feel tight. Flush off the veil with warm water. Not exclusively will this blend eliminate zits, yet it will likewise leave your skin with a shine. 4. Bicarbonate of soda, baking pop. A preparing pop, not to be mistaken for heating powder, scour is a basic method to dispose of pimples. Include a couple of drops of water to heating pop, utilize delicate movements to clean it into the influenced territories. Flush off with warm water. Preparing soft drink dries out clogged pores as well as lights up the skin. Subscribe and leave a like if you found this video useful. Thank you.